HDMI ARC, or Audio Return Channel, allows your Klipsch soundbar to receive audio from your TV through a single HDMI cable. This eliminates the need for separate audio cables. Before ARC, you needed separate cables for video and audio. With ARC, both audio and video travel through one HDMI cable. A common problem is the TV not detecting error, often caused by handshake failures between devices. The first step is to ensure you're using a high-speed HDMI cable, preferably HDMI 2.1 certified, especially if your soundbar and TV support eARC. Faulty or damaged cables account for many ARC failures. Next, verify that CEC, or Consumer Electronics Control, is enabled on both your TV and your Klipsch soundbar. On Samsung TVs, this is called AnyNet Plus. A simple yet effective fix is power cycling. Unplug both the TV and soundbar for 30 seconds, then reconnect them. This often resets the ARC channel and resolves transient issues. Your Klipsch soundbar has an HDMI ARC port on the back for connecting to the TV. If basic troubleshooting doesn't work, check for firmware updates for your Klipsch soundbar via the Klipsch app or website. Updates often contain bug fixes related to RC negotiation. If problems persist, consider the trend towards eARC and wireless audio solutions. Newer TVs increasingly support eARC, offering higher audio quality but requiring compatible cables and settings. Klipsch has integrated eARC into newer soundbars. Looking ahead, wireless HDMI, WHDI, and Matter protocol integration may eventually eliminate cables altogether. As a last resort, if your soundbar is under warranty, contact Klipsch support for hardware replacements, as unresolved cases may point to faulty HDMI ports.